watch the Among Us's get washed in the washing machine? Please, no! I'm innocent! Same! Here's your ride of the tour of the washing machine. Nah! No! Get us out of here! Yeah! Bruh. Did it just restart? I think so. Oh no, what's happening? Help! I'm innocent. I think I'm buried. You better get us out of here. Yeah. Oh, not the water. I hate the water part. Same. Get us out of here, Aiden. I'm too innocent. Please, I don't want to. Well, this is what you get from being weird. It's going over 100 miles per hour, and okay, there we go. Quickly covered in soap and water. No, not again. Help. Oh, I need help too. Watch this. This is my new mascot, Gecko, from Gecko. And my series is actually called Crazy Aiden Presents.